Happy Friday, Scots. I'm Amaya.
Welcome back, Scots. I'm Regina.
Let's dive into this week's announcements.
First, attention students, did you know that Women's History Month started out as a week-long celebration in Santa Rosa, California in 1978?
By 1986, 14 states had already recognized March as Women's History Month, and in 1987, Congress officially declared it a national observance.
Take this month to celebrate the incredible contributions of women throughout history.
Plus, shout out to all the women here at Highland, from students to staff.
Next, looking for a fun volunteering opportunity? Sign up for JJ's Legacy 4th Annual Got the Dot Walkathon.
This family-friendly event features fun activities, food vendors, and a great cause. March 22nd, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the CSUB Alumni Park.
Stop by room CF to scan the QR code or ask Mr. Batney for more details, or DM at HHS Got the Dot on Instagram. Don't miss out.
Third, we have some breaking news.
Listen up, freshmen.
Link Crew's free paint night has been rescheduled to Monday, March 24th due to weather. Bring a fen and join us for some fun night creativity.
Don't miss out. See you there.
Finally, attention juniors. State testing is happening next week on Tuesday and Wednesday, so be ready. Here are some tips to help you do your best.
Get plenty of rest the night before. Eat a good breakfast to stay focused and stay locked in and give it your best effort.
Plaid up and crush those tests.
Now it's time for a quick commercial break.
Check out this video.
Hey, Zamal, you want to see? Yeah, Luke. Hey, Luke. Look, you're a baseball player, but you're failing my class. You have an F right now. You didn't do good in this project. You need to lock in, dial in. If you're trying to be a baseball player here in Highland, you need to represent. Do your assignments, all right? I'm giving you a retake, all right?
Thank you.
Go sit down and do it right now.
Hey, Scotsman, don't forget to do your schoolwork.
So, have you heard Cardi's new album?
Oh my god, that was so good. What?
Kobe.
Dude, did we just become best friends by picking up trash?
I think we just did!
Welcome back, Scots.
It's time for some information about classes being offered next year at Highland.
First, Ag Machine for freshmen and sophomores. Learn the basics of shop maintenance, concrete work, electrical skills, woodworking, plumbing, and cold metal. A great way to build hands-on skills.
Ag Welding, sophomores and juniors. Get introduced to welding techniques and practice your skills. Plus, you might even make money doing what you love.
Ag Engineering, juniors and seniors. Work on medium to large projects, create project plans and budgets, and even earn certifications to help you in the future.
These classes are perfect for anyone who enjoys working with their hands and building new skills. Don't miss out.
Next, Introduction to Media Arts. You'll get hands-on experience with the latest digital tools used in modern art and design.
You'll explore graphic design, digital illustration, and photography using industry standard software like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop.
Through fun projects and group assignments, you'll build a strong foundation in digital art, learning both technical skills and creative storytelling techniques.
This class encourages experimentation and creativity, helping you develop your unique artistic style while preparing for the ever-changing world of digital media.
Third, Project Lead the Way, where creativity meets innovation. In the PLTW engineering program, you'll bring your ideas to life through hands-on projects and real-world problem solving.
Introduction to Engineering Design. Draft designs and earn art credits while learning the basics of engineering.
Honors courses. Challenge yourselves with the principles of engineering, computer-integrated manufacturing, and engineering design and development, all while boosting your GPA.
Hands-on experience. Work on robotics, industrial automation, and more, gaining the skills that set you apart in STEM.
Join us to turn your ideas into reality and build a strong foundation for a future in engineering.
Remember, Scots, elective classes matter. Be sure to choose classes that you're excited about and willing to put in the work in each day next school year.
Next week, we'll dive into even more awesome classes being offered here at Highland.
Now it's time for some sports news.
Welcome to Sports Scots. I'm Raquel.
And I'm John.
Let's jump right into this week's sports announcements.
First, a total of 58 boys and girls contributed to the track and field's team successes by scoring points with top 5 finishes in their events. The varsity girls scored their victory with strong performances in their relay races, winning 2 of their last 3 events. This marks their first league win meet in over 3 years. Congratulations to all the athletes. Keep up the hard work.
Second, members of the varsity swim team competed in the MTSAC Winterfest Championships this past weekend, an event featuring over 3,000 athletes. Nick Gonzalez earned second place in the 100 butterfly, while Jaden Arrett secured third in the 200 meter.
Third, our JV Scots baseball team is off to an impressive 6-1 start. They finished as runner-up to the JV Tarot Baseball Classic, falling to the undefeated Garces in the championship. The JV Scots have dominated their opponents, outscoring them 98-15.
The varsity Scots are also off to a strong start with a 6-1 record, outscoring their opponents 44-4.
The next game is today at 3 p.m. against the Liberty Patriots. That's it for sports.
Peace out.
Well, Scots, that's a wrap.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.
And always remember to
Flat up!
Flat up.